How do you think my performance was, Rose? So today we are going to flea markets and Valley Forge, and we might also do laser tag today. Lots of fun stuff. I'm ready for this. It's gonna be fun. Like, it's not that far, but... Alright, so we are near the King of Prussia area, so about like 20 minutes outside of Philly. Made it.
Against each other in colors that are complementary.
It's so cool, but I'm not paying 40 bucks for that.
Stop.
Jackpot, dude. So we are in a Asian grocery store right now. This stuff is so cool. I love this stuff. Ugh. Whoa. This is crazy. I didn't know they made half flavors. Yo, we just got strawberries for 99 cents at that store. So if you're in King of Prussia or around Philly, it's a really good store. We also got some noodles, some mochi, some blueberry raspberry Oreos. Really cool stuff. Oh, they're like individually wrapped.
Oh, that's nice.
It smells like straight alcohol from
tequila.
The hand sanitizer. Cute.
What do you think?
They're so good. Yeah, they're good. Two?
They're little packs.
Oh.
We'll share a pack for now.
I know, they do. That's what they look like.
They're not as creamy as American ones.
I like the mochi better. We have arrived at Valley Forge. It's considered a national park, even though it's not really a park. It's just kind of like a, I don't know, like a national monument type thing, right?
Yeah, it's called a historical park.
Yeah, it's a historical thing. But we're just going just to get stamps. This is their YouTube.
No. Ew.
Love you.
Stands as a testament to perseverance and patriotism. Explore the rolling hills, dense forests, and vibrant meadows that make this area a haven for nature lovers.
How do you even load this thing?
Uncover the secrets
It's a bit dead right now. It's in winter. I think there's a bird's nest in there. Hi. Little cannon. So yes, wonderful vast nature, which is basically all just grass. But
And then there's cannons and
cannons, and there's cabins over there as well, which we'll go to. But yeah, I don't think that's cannons over there. I think that's just like a mound with wood spikes in it.
maybe they could put their gun.
I'm just gonna give a forewarning. If you clicked on this video for it to be very educational, this is not an educational video. I just think that these cabins are cool and the cannons are cool, and that's just why we're here, basically. And we just wanted to come in nature for a little bit, get away from the city. So I'm very sorry. I don't really have any educational information for you. I think I did enough of that when I was teaching science to 5th graders for 9 months. Okay, this is the little city of huts. It's for the winter.
They built 2,000 of them.
And there's what, only 4 remain or something? It's more than 4, but still. Oh wow, a little fireplace. Huh?
Is it warm?
I mean, it just gets you out of the wind, I guess. And there's a fireplace here, so, but, you know. The educational knowledge. Oh, this is what they... Wow, you see those glasses over there?
Yeah.
Those glasses
Ben
are...
Franklin glasses.
Ben
Here's their
Franklin
food. Looks bad.
It looks bad.
It does.
Food looks
God, I forget how short
so
they,
tan.
They were so short back in the day.
Yeah, now they got all these like hormones in our food and stuff.
Like, look at it. I'm not even that tall, and I can touch the ceiling.
Yeah. I have to duck. Because I will literally be hit in the head. Oh, really?
Yeah, it looks like the other ones are closed.
Real log cabins. You know, I've never seen a log cabin before. Oh, wow. Got a whole,
Oh, so the leaders
house.
get fancy.
Oh, this is
Look
the
at
leaders.
wig.
Their heads must have been small. I mean, look how small that looks.
Oh, you can actually get in a bed if you want to.
Bet. Let me try to get in one of these beds. I'm gonna be so dirty. No, not the top one.
Why?
I'm just gonna do this lower one. Oh my god, this is so claustrophobic though. Well, can you take a picture?
Europeans began to settle the region in the late 17th century, and gradually they displaced the indigenous people.
Oh
The
yeah.
land was cleared for agriculture, and
like the
18
big
landowners
monument.
established prosperous
Let's go in
farms
it.
on the choice soils. Along Valley Creek, an ironworks named Valley Forge was established,
Let's go in
and a
it.
small industrial village, including charcoal houses, a sawmill, grist mill, and company store, grew up around it. The slopes of the
There's just so much land. Like there's not many trees, it's just like grass.
It's not like they would have came and cleared out the trees.
Right.
Washington to recruit soldiers for longer enlistments beginning in 1777. In Morristown, New Jersey, Washington's forces prepared to meet the British with renewed... Though they lost both battles as well as the capital of Philadelphia, the Continental Army emerged from these experiences with the confidence of an underdog sports team that had thrown a scare into the champion. They can confuse and rout even the flower of the British. Early March, the Army listed 3,000 men as unfit for duty due
should
to
we have
lack
parked
of
there and
proper
gotten out?
clothing. The officers formed them into construction squads and
wanna go on the
instructed them
bridge?
to build
Yeah.
cabins according
Are
to
we
a
supposed to?
14-foot
Oh, no,
by
I'm going to.
16-foot model.
have no idea where
The
I'm
army
going.
placed the 2,000-odd huts in parallel lines, and according to one officer, the camp had the appearance of a little suffering that occurred at Valley Forge came from a factor that is not frequently mentioned in textbooks. Disease was the troops who came to camp included men from all 13 original colonies and needed more training and discipline.
Oh, look at this.
At the same time, he realized that American soldiers would not submit to harsh European-style regulation.
It's a big river down there. Oh, it's part of the Shokyo River. This is where we go all the time. Oh my god. Crazy. This is the train station though.
You want to go with both?
No, I don't care. I don't know, we gotta come back this way anyways. Oh look, there's more like houses over there.
I'm assuming this is this one then. Are the doors open? Right?
I don't know. So this is little Georgie's house. And we could go in it.
Camp, like 6 to 8 of them. Wow. Alexander County vehicles are famous.
Okay.
Wow.
This is funny. Look at this side.
Look at the bed. It's like a twin bed. This gives me like Biltmore vibes. But the Biltmore is like way bigger than this. This is crazy though. Look at the little fort. That would be my bedroom. My bed. No.
What's that?
Oh wow, the ceiling is really short. Oh.
And then but it also seems too nice. So
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe he treated them well. I don't know.
oh no, yeah.
This is so cool. Oh really? They had to separate because of that?
Look at the pie.
Wouldn't burn things.
The ham.
That's so cool.
Those are cool
That whole
pies,
thing
though.
would be like the oven, right?
I mean, yeah. They'd have like the oven, the brick oven, and then like the fire.
Okay, Georgie. Over here,
Well, look at
he
those
probably didn't cook it all.
those-
Look at all them gazers. Them gazers.
Rosie
Better
would
watch out though. We're gonna step in geese poop.
Like, Rosie would like that.
We're gonna end up being like Miley. Can I say that? It's cool. We're in the train station. Hey Hills, come over here. Come over here. I want to give you your ticket. I want to give you your ticket.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a ticket of love. So next place we are going to go to laser tag. It comes like kind of free with our get out passes that we've already kind of used, but yeah, so laser tag it up. Crazy. Oh, these are like the little air bumper cars. It's just gonna be me versus you, huh?
I guess.
Let's see who comes out at the top.
Mission begin.
Let's go. Right? Stop following me. Get out of my stop following me. You're tired? I don't know why these aren't going up. Where did you go? I hit her 29 times. She hit me 11. But her gun was not, like, my vest wasn't working, so, like, it didn't even, like, light up, so it wasn't even that fair. But okay, though. I still would have beat you. You still would have won. So the vegan place that we were gonna eat at doesn't open until 2. It's like 1 o'clock. And so now we're in some like Asian market that's like next door. While we wait, we're killing time. Time to kill. Do it in Chinese. Look at this, it's a white lotus mooncake. What's a mooncake, Gia? Have you ever eaten those?
I think it has. It has butter in it.
Fake fish. Cutlet. I kind of just got a variety of everything, and then I got apple pie. I'm so excited. It feels like a new one. I don't know what this is.
It's a coconut cookie.
Interesting. I've never had a fried banana before. Ooh, that's good.
And like fry them on the stove.
Oh really?
They melt.
How you feeling, Hales? Haley, how do you feel right now?
Leave me alone.
She's so full. I'm so full. It's funny. Suggested the place, babe.
You're stupid.
Oh, okay.
I never do that again. Honestly, look how wide I can get it. What do you say, Rose? That I use the stick more? Hopefully. Get it, Rose. Get it, get it, get it, get it.